everybody. Hi, Parker. Hi, Riley. Hi, Owen. It's wonderful to see everybody today. My name is Teacher Angela, and today we are going to learn about two-letter sounds. The first letter we're going to learn about today is the letter S. 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 You try it. S. S. Good job, everybody. The next letter we're going to learn about today is the letter M. You try. M. Good job, everybody. Wonderful job. So today, I have asked you all to bring in something that starts with the letter M, or something that starts with the letter S. So today, I brought in Sven, and Sven's name starts with the letter S. Sven. Parker, what did you bring in today? You brought in a marble? Wow, good job. Marble starts with the letter M. Marble. Good job. Lydia, what did you bring in today? You brought in a snake? Good job. Snake starts with the letter S. Good job. Okay, so now we are going to practice writing our letters. We're going to write our letters in the air. So we're going to start with the letter S. Remember, S makes the S sound. So while we're writing at the end, we're going to remember that sound, okay? Everyone get out your magic writing fingers and put it right up in the air. To make the letter S, you're going to do little C curve, little C curve, okay? So back to the top, little C curve, little C curve. Good job. S, S. You try. S, S. Wonderful. Everybody, let's get ready to write the letter M. So to make the letter M, we're going to start at the top. We're going to do a big line down, back to the top, big line down, big line up, big line down. All right, get ready. Starting at the top, big line down, back to the top, big line down, big line up, big line down. Wonderful job, everybody. M, you try. M, Good job. Ready to make our letters out of Play-Doh. The first letter we're going to make is the letter S. And to make the letter S, all you need to do is make a snake with your Play-Doh. Roll it out, make it into a nice little snake. And then we're going to do little C curve, just like we practiced when we wrote the letter S in the air. So you're going to do a little C curve, curving your S like this, and then you're going to curve it back like that. You're going to make the letter S. S, snake, S. You try. S, snake, S. Good job.